Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable God mode in Windows 10. Okay, so what is God mode? God mode folder gives quick access to over 260 commands. It gives quick access to backup and restore tools, administrative tools, and other important settings. Okay, so to enable this God mode, we have this command. Okay, so first of all let me minimize this file. Okay, and also guys, if I click on this start button, and here we have the start menu. Okay, and if I open this settings app, and you can see that here we have this Windows settings opened. Okay, and you can see we only have limited options. Okay, so let's enable God mode. Okay, so let me open this file. Okay, so let me copy this command. Okay guys, and you have to copy this dot also. Okay, so copy this whole command. Okay, and guys, this command in video description also, you can check it out. Okay, so let me minimize this. Okay, and after that guys, just go to your desktop, right click on that, and then click on this new, and then click on this folder. Okay, and you have to paste that command over here. Okay, and after that click anywhere over here in this empty space on your desktop, and you can see guys, here we have this God mode folder created. Okay, and in order to open this, just double click on it, and you can see guys, it's now opened. Okay, and you can see here we have this administrative tools. Okay, autoplay, backup and restore, credential manager, color management, date and time, and other settings. Okay, so you can access it very easily, all these commands. Okay, so suppose if I want to open this device manager, so you need to double click on it, and you can see it's now opened. Okay, so let me close this. I want to show you one more thing. Okay, so let me adjust the window size of this God mode folder. Okay, so here we have this God mode folder. Okay, and guys, you can drag any of these commands. Okay, and drop it to your desktop, and the shortcut will be created for that command. Okay, so let me do that for device manager. Okay, you can do that for any command. Okay, so just click on this to select it. You can see this device manager is now selected, and after that guys, just drag it and drop it to your desktop, and you can see guys, here we have this shortcut created for device manager, and if I double click on it, you can see I can easily access this. Okay, so let me close this, and you can also close this God mode folder. Okay, and you can place it anywhere. Okay guys, so guys, that's it. In this way you can easily enable God mode in Windows 10. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.